By installing the MailerLite plugin for WordPress, you create an additional way to collect subscribers straight from your WordPress website into MailerLite. And that is a very valuable shortcut. Let me show you how to do it. By installing the MailerLite plugin for WordPress, you create an additional way to collect subscribers straight from your WordPress site to MailerLite. And that's a very valuable shortcut. To install the MailerLite plugin for WordPress, go to your dashboard and then navigate to the integration page. Find WordPress and click Use. Log into your WordPress dashboard in a different tab. Click Plugins, then Add New. Search for MailerLite and install the official MailerLite sign-up form plugin and then click Activate. In the sidebar, click MailerLite, followed by Settings. Here you'll need to generate an API key. So let's go back to your MailerLite integration page. Click Use on the API category, and here you'll need to generate a token. If you have existing tokens, they will appear on this page, but here I've got nothing, so let's create a new one. I'll call mine WP because it's for WordPress. Click Create, and here is a very important step. Once you close this window, you'll never be able to get this key again. Therefore, I recommend downloading and keeping it somewhere safe on your computer. Now let's copy and download it. And now going back to the WP dashboard, paste the key. And here I'm going to keep both my MailerLite pop-ups and my double opt-in enabled. And that's it. Your WordPress account is now connected to your MailerLite account. So now let's say you want to add an embedded form that you've created in MailerLite to your WordPress website. In the sidebar, click MailerLite, followed by Sign Up Forms. Click Add New, select Forms Created in MailerLite, and click Create Form. Note that embedded forms are the only forms you'll find under Forms Created in MailerLite. And remember that pop-ups are automatically added to your WordPress website upon installing the plugin or adding the JavaScript code on every page of the website by following these instructions. We are going back to MailerLite, heading to the overview page of the form you want to embed. Scroll down and you'll see the JavaScript snippet. Choose the form you wish to add to your web page and then save. You can also use the MailerLite plugin to create simple sign-up forms in your WordPress dashboard. To do so, click MailerLite in your sidebar, followed by Sign-up Forms, Add New, then select Custom Sign-up Forms. Select the group into which subscribers of this form will be added. Click Create Form. Give your form a title, form description, success message, and button title. And make sure to save the form. If you wish to add additional fields to your form, click the Form Fields and Interest Group tab. To insert the form on a WordPress page or a post, navigate to the page or post you wish to add the sign-up form to. Click the plus sign and choose the MailerLite icon. Then choose the form you'd like to insert. Click Select. And now let's preview this. Scrolling to the bottom, here's my form. To insert the form into your website sidebar, click Appearance, followed by Widgets. Then click the plus sign, find the MailerLite sign-up form icon, drag it into the sidebar, select the form, and press Update. Now let's preview it. And that's it. That's how you add a form with the MailerLite plugin for WordPress. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.